Single parents, struggling in the wake of COVID-19. Hello ladies, welcome to Single Moms Make Money. This is the place where you will gain knowledge on how to make money, and provide information to help single mothers be successful. For regular updates, please hit the red subscribe button and tap the bell icon. Millions of people in the United States are struggling as a result of the COVID-19 pandemic, and single parents are finding the new normal extremely challenging. Making ends meet, for example, can become impossible if the household budget relies on a single income to get by, and that income evaporates due to pandemic-related job loss or dwindles due to reduced hours. Managing childcare as a single parent while schools are closed is a daily hardship, let alone homeschooling without the help of another adult. With social distancing becoming the norm in 2020, there are fewer playdates and social outlets for children, resulting in many lone parents have become their children's principal source of amusement. In normal circumstances, any of these problems would be intimidating. When you put them all together, you get a lot more frantic existence. The truth is that the social safety nets that once enabled single-parent families to stay afloat have mostly been eliminated. Here are some resources that may be of assistance to such families during this difficult time. Although not all were established with single parents in mind, their resources may be useful in addressing some of the most pressing concerns that single parents confront. Financial assistance to single mothers. The Financial Help for Single Mothers, the website is a comprehensive compilation of programs and organizations that provide help. It covers everything from national rental aid possibilities to state-by-state specific support programs that provide grants and financial assistance. The site is an excellent place to start if you're looking for help. Single Moms Make Money will provide you detailed information to help you be successful. Aid to needy families for temporary assistance. Even though this program is not specifically for single parents, many single parents find it to be quite beneficial. Temporary Assistance for Needy Families, TANF, offers short-term financial assistance. Those who have one or more dependent children under the age of 19 are eligible for the funding. Women who are pregnant are also eligible. Even though it's a federal program, states receive grant monies to provide these benefits on a local basis, so you'll need to look for your state's program. Participants must have a very low income and be underemployed or unemployed to be eligible. Co-abode. As a single mom, paying rent or housing expenditures on your own might be difficult, and Co-abode was created to assist you. Co-abode is a national organization that offers a house-sharing program that brings together single mothers with similar interests and parenting philosophies to share a home and raise their children together. According to the organization, participants' household expenses can be lowered by an average of 40% through the program. The program is aimed to provide members with companionship, support, and to alleviate the loneliness typically associated with being a single parent, in addition to saving money each month. Children's Health Insurance Program. The Children's Health Insurance Program, CHIP, may be worth looking into if you're a single parent without health insurance. CHIP is a program that provides low-cost health insurance to children whose families earn too much money to qualify for Medicaid. In some states, the program also extends to pregnant women. The requirements differ by state, but the main thing to remember is that you can apply at any time of year. If your children are eligible, you will not be required to purchase an insurance plan for them. Here's where you can learn more. Low-Income Energy Assistance Program. The Low-Income Home Energy Assistance Program, LIHEAP, was created to assist low-income families with their energy bills, which can be beneficial to single parents who are struggling to make ends meet. The program is open to low-income families who spend a significant amount of their income on heating and cooling, although specific requirements and availability vary by state. For example, in California, the program includes one-time financial support to help pay down an eligible household's utility bill, as well as energy crisis interventions for qualified households facing energy service interruption. In New Jersey, the program provides similar assistance. Women, Infants, and Children WIC Special Supplemental Nutrition Program for Women, Babies, and Children WIC was established in 1974 to help low-income pregnant women, postpartum women, breastfeeding mothers, infants, and children under the age of 5 who are nutritionally vulnerable. WIC provides nutritious foods to supplement diets, as well as nutrition instruction and referrals to healthcare for people who qualify. Income, residency, and other factors are taken into account while determining eligibility. You must make an appointment with the WIC state or local organization serving your area to enroll. Single Mother Guide. The Single Mother Guide is another website dedicated to being a resource for single mothers. It features a very handy page that details the various sorts of grants available to single mothers, ranging from educational grants to child care assistance. Child Care Assistance Program. Child care is one of the most difficult concerns for single parents to deal with. The Child Care Assistance Program CAP might be able to assist you. CAP is normally managed by a municipal Department of Health or Human Services and is available in many towns and states. The program's qualifying standards vary by location, but most require that you have small children who require care while you work. Additionally, there are income restrictions. The initiative in Rhode Island promises to subsidize the cost of daycare for children under the age of 13 who are U.S. citizens or legal residents. CAP provides child care support to persons who are working, looking for a job, or who are unemployed in Colorado. You are in training and require child care. To find local program opportunities, search CAP and your state's name. Supplemental Nutrition Assistance Program SNAP. For single parents whose household income has been drastically reduced, the Supplemental Nutrition Assistance Program SNAP might be a lifeline. The program provides nutrition benefits to low-income families to supplement their food budget. You must apply for this program at the state level, where more information regarding qualifying conditions, such as income limitations, is also available. Single Parents Alliance of America. Sometimes all a single parent needs are to chat to someone who understands. This type of relationship can be found on the website of the Single Parents Alliance of America. It was created to empower single-parent families by providing them with access to a large network of other single parents. According to the site, it has provided assistance and services to over 3.8 million single-parent households. Registration is completely free. Parents can join clubs, attend events, and participate in a variety of activities aimed at single parents once they become members. All of the resources are also available for free. Single Parent Support Network. The Single Parent Support Network, a final resource website for people just starting their quest for aid, claims to be meant to encourage, inspire, and empower its target audience. The disadvantage is that this site appears to be tailored solely for Oklahoma residents. There is, however, a resource page with printable information sheets explaining the support programs provided in the areas of newborn and pregnancy, education, food, housing, and health and safety for individuals who live in the state. Additionally, the organization may be able to refer single parents in other states to local resources or initiatives that could be beneficial. We here at Single Moms Make Money hope this information helps you. And as always, ladies, thank you for your time. Please hit the cute little button and tap the icon for future videos. Toodles.